Hey, this is Dawn and I'm back. In 3 days, we are leaving for Walt Disney World Resort. We are staying at the boardwalk at Disney's Yacht Club Resort. It will just be my hubby and I. A little bittersweet without our kiddos. So sorry, my mother is calling. Hello, mother. Hey, heidi ho, this is Dawn and I'm back. I am back. It has been a nutty year. I am back to let you know that we will shortly, in about 3 days, be leaving for Walt Disney World Resort. My hubby and I will be staying at Disney's Yacht Club at the boardwalk. This will actually be our second time to Disney without our kiddos. They are 21 and 23 now, so they actually have a life of their own and cannot make this trip. I think they might be a little jealous that they can't go on this trip with us, but it'll be a little bittersweet, but we'll make the best of it, that's for sure. Hey. We'll be staying at, again, the Yacht Club, which will have stayed at all the Disney Boardwalk resorts. Disney's Boardwalk Inn a few times, club level at the Innkeepers Club, and a few other times at Waterview room locations. We've also stayed at the DVC Villas at the Boardwalk Inn. We've stayed at the Swan, the Dolphin, and Disney's Beach Club level. So this will be the last resort that we have not stayed at Disney's Boardwalk. So we're looking forward to it. We love it because it flanks Hollywood Studios and Epcot, and now of course Disney Skyliner, the water transportation that come along with it, and the walking, distance between the two. So it is a wonderful place to stay if you have not. Plenty of food choices, drink choices, and entertainment within the boardwalk area. And boat rental. I'm not sure how much they're doing boat rental right now, but it should be picking back up soon. We're excited to show you our cabana rental at Stormalong Bay the day we arrive. So we have cabana number 1, looking forward to it. It's supposed to be the best one out of all 4 cabanas, so we'll find that out. Stormalong Bay's fun. It is supposed to be the number 1 pool at all the Walt Disney World resorts. I've stayed there before. I like it, but it gets overcrowded, and it's okay. Again, it's subjective to your opinion. I like the Polynesian. It is our favorite family resort. It is the resort we've stayed at most. We've been coming to Walt Disney World since 2003 as a family, and Polynesian is where we've stayed the most, but it is under construction right now, so poo on that. We won't be staying there, but it'll be nice to have stayed at all the boardwalk resorts and check one off the list that we've not stayed at. So we'll be vlogging room tours, Disney resorts, dining, theme parks, Disney transportation, maybe new policies that are implemented now since COVID existed and still exists. Therefore, after our Disney stay, we'll actually be doing something we've not done before, staying in Southwest Florida, going over to St Petersburg, Florida, to a boutique hotel called the Postcard Inn. We'll actually stay there as our hub, and then we'll drive down to Naples, which is right above the Everglades. And this is a part of Florida that we've never actually visited. We visited the whole eastern, seaboard, the Atlantic Ocean side, from Jacksonville all the way down to the Keys, literally. I don't care about the Everglades at all. We're from Louisiana, so we see swamp, we see gators, who cares? Mind you, it's cool and fun, but again, we're from Louisiana. So right there at Naples is where we're gonna kind of begin, and we'll show you Naples, Venice, Fort Meyers, Tampa, of course St. Pete, Clearwater, and a few of those places along the way. So if you want to and are interested in dining, shopping, beaches, sun, Florida, a family, well, just the 2 of us because our babies can't make it. Not to say they're not going to be videoed with us or future trips, but as of now, this is our second Disney trip without our kids. I think our 19th wedding anniversary, we went to the Polynesian, and that was our first trip to Disney without the kids, and this will be our second, and we're going on our 24th year of marriage, but almost 25, almost at our silver wedding anniversary. So we're excited. So we'll see you soon. If you want to tag along, please do. Subscribe, like, comment. If there's anything you want to see or want us to video or check out, please let us know. I give pretty thorough, like, room tours, dining. I'm honest with my opinion, whether you like it or not. Sometimes, you know, you don't like it, but if there's anything you want to know or see, please let me know, and I'll talk to you soon. So that's what's coming, so stay tuned. Have a great day. Stay safe. Bye.
Lord, we are like the worst.